The timing of a school is quite long. It starts from 8 o'clock to 4:30. For nursery, it is less. We started school from nursery, from the age of 3. And the first year, we had nursery, junior KG, senior KG, and first standard, only 4 classes, only 4 grades. And the timing from first onwards, first upwards, is from 8 o'clock to 4:30. And people said the timing is too long. Students won't be able to take it. But alhamdulillah, we divide the day into 12 periods, each of 35 minutes. On an average, 2 periods every day are for extracurricular activities. Martial arts, whether it be taekwondo, judo, swimming, whether it be computers, and all the extracurricular activities. On an average, 2 periods a day. Every child, it's compulsory, should learn swimming, taekwondo, judo, martial arts, for the boys, football, etc. And the balanced 10 periods, 5 periods are in English and 5 in Arabic. Our school has a dual minimum instruction, English and Arabic. Arabic is the language of the Quran. It's the language in which the last and final revelation was revealed. I realize the drawback, that because our parents did not think it important that we should learn Arabic as a language, we know it's a drawback, even today. So we want to see to it that our children, our next generation, they should know Arabic as the mother tongue. So 5 periods are in Arabic, 5 are in English. But naturally, the 5 periods that are then Arabic, they're Islamic, whether it be Arabic language, whether it be hifz, whether it be tilawat, whether it be hadith, whether it be Quran tafsir, and all the Islamic studies that we have. When we give the tafsir of the Quran, it's not in English or Urdu. Like back home in India, Pakistan, we have the Islamic studies in Urdu. In the Western countries, we either have in Urdu or we have in English. There, we have in Arabic, Arabic to Arabic. So the child, from the age of 3, when he joins nursery school, he starts learning Arabic. When we teach him A for Allah, B for Bismillah, along with that, min alif asadun, min ba baitun, min ta tufahun. So from the age of 3, the child is ingrained with the Arabic language. And in the Arabic period, the children cannot speak English, they should only speak Arabic. In the English period, only English, no Arabic. And most of Arabic teachers, they have gone to Saudi Arabia, and they have graduated from the Islamic University of Medina, so that even the pronunciation is correct. Besides the Arabic period that is there, the 5 periods in English, 1 period every day is Islamic studies in English. That's for dawah. Because the child, when he does dawah with the non-Muslim, it will be in English, he can't do in Arabic. There are very few Arab non-Muslims. So 1 period is Islamic studies in English. The balanced 4 periods on an average is maths, English, geography, history, science, etc.